Okay, so this is the word definitions, and not everyone will have this specific page. I think only 3 students have this one. And then, so if you don't have this one, then go to the next video, which will have the other version of the word definitions. So let's go over definitions. So the first definition says, a new illness that spreads quickly from person to person. So what is the illness that we've been talking about? That is the title of our latest article. Is it world, coronavirus, spread, or stop? I'll give you a moment to think about the answer. And hopefully the answer that you got was coronavirus. That is the answer. That is the new illness that is spreading that people are worried about and want to prevent from spreading more and more. Okay, the next definition is to affect more and more people. Which word means that it affects more and more people? Is it world, spread, or stop? So, the answer is spread. So spread means if you see in this picture, someone's coughing and then the next person has it. So spread is if I have the coronavirus and then I cough and you somehow inhale, the stuff that I just coughed, I could spread the disease or the illness to you or to another person. So it affects, and then that person can infect other people, and it just becomes this effect where more and more people are getting sick. The next one is the earth and everything on earth. What means the earth and everything on earth? And I think we all know this one because earth and everything on earth is called world, the world. And the last one, to cause something to stop. Oh my goodness, sorry, I just said the answer. To cause something to end is to stop. So we want to stop the coronavirus. We don't want it to keep spreading from person to person all over the world. And right now it is all over the world. And so that's why we are closing the schools for now, and we're closing a lot of businesses. We're trying to get people to not be around each other. And that's where the whole social distancing takes place. If you have heard that saying, it means kind of to keep our space from other people 6 feet apart. So once again, our words are coronavirus, spread, world, and stop.